Stop by and take a look at the 2024 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, integrated turn signal mirrors. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.